Hey everyone, now when I was sent this leaf blower to test and video, I was quite pleased because this is something I've been looking for. Now I have a big leaf blower that mounts on my back and it does a great job of doing heavy duty, big time leaf blowing, but sometimes I wish I had a nice, quick, convenient battery powered leaf blower that I could just grab and get the small jobs done without the big fuss of cranking up a gas-powered, gigantic back mount leaf blower. And this cordless leaf blower that's lightweight and has 2 batteries, 20 volt, and this is great for those small jobs and hard to reach areas. Now it comes in at 3.5 pounds and the top speed, which has 2, is 130 miles per hour, and the low speed is about 60 miles an hour. It comes with a charger with 2 batteries with a combined run time up to 100 minutes at low speed and 20 minutes at high speed. Enough to get the job done that you're meaning to do. Now what kind of job? Well, obviously dry, quick and easy jobs on smooth surfaces. If you're wet leaves and tall grass, it's going to give you a problem, but this is not the tool for that. This is the tool for doing tight corners, doing little alleyways, light work. And also I teach tennis, and in the fall I show it to a court. It's full of leaves. I easily blow the leaves off the tennis court and get on to my lessons without fuss. And this is so portable and lightweight that I could carry it in my tennis bag. And if you're a car enthusiast and you wash your car and you want to dry it off quickly without any fuss and without disturbing the neighbors, then this is a great tool to dry the car. And even in the light dusting in the winter, you could probably blow off a light dusting of snow off the car. So this will complement your lawn care kit, which will include all the necessary equipment. And this is a great tool to have handy, and I like it, and you probably will too.